Hi, I'm Dr. Ramp here at Revive Injury and Wellness in West Linn. Today I want to give you a couple quick tips for stretching out your upper back when you get tired from sitting at your desk all day. A couple of tools that you should have with you. They're really small and cheap. You can keep them at your desk. A lacrosse ball or a tennis ball, whichever is easiest for you to get a hold of, and a stretchy exercise band, Theraband, something similar. We sell them here at Revive. You can also get them Amazon, sporting goods stores, anything like that. But there are a couple things that I'd like you to have on hand. They're really nice for quick stretches throughout the day. So starting with the Theraband, this one's really easy. All you're gonna do is stand up from your desk, take a quick break. You're gonna hold the band in each hand, nice and firm. You're gonna keep your elbows pinned to your sides. And all you're gonna do is open your arms, keeping your elbows at your sides, squeezing your shoulder blades together in the back. And then once you're here, you're just gonna hold this position for 5 to 10 seconds. Nice big breath. And then come back to neutral. And this just helps reset your brain to keep your shoulders up and your chest up while you're working. For the lacrosse ball, you need a little bit more time and a little bit of empty wall space. So what you're gonna do with the lacrosse ball is put it up against the wall and you are gonna lean against it. So what you're gonna do here is give yourself a big hug. This pulls the shoulder blades away from the spine a little bit. Lean up against the ball and you can kind of roll around. You'll find the spots where you have a little more tension pretty easily. And just rolling up and down, you can hold on spots for a little bit. This is what's called ischemic compression. What we're doing is kind of pushing the blood out of the area, and then when you release, new fresh blood comes rushing into the area and helps to release some of those knots in your muscles. And you can do this on both sides. I like to reset in between each shoulder blade. That's just a real easy way to release some of that tension during the workday. If you have continual tension or you're starting to get headaches or neck pain from it, please let us know. I'll be happy to see you here at Revive.
Welcome to Revive Injury and Wellness in West Linn, Oregon. Our experienced team of chiropractors and massage therapist wellness professionals provide the best possible chiropractic care, laser therapy, and massage therapy to patients living with back pain, neck pain, headaches, and a variety of chronic pain conditions. At Revive Injury and Wellness, we utilize gentle chiropractic techniques, massage therapy, rehabilitative exercises, nutritional supplementation, and cold laser therapy to help you recover from back pain, neck pain, chronic pain, or injury from a workplace or auto accident. Our chiropractors and wellness team focus on the cause of your pain, not just the symptom, to help you lead a happier, healthier, pain-free life. We are here for you if you are in search of a chiropractor or accident and injury pain specialist in West Linn, Oregon, in Southeast Portland. Serving the communities of West Linn, Gladstone, Oregon City, Tualatin, Milwaukie, Wilsonville, Beavercreek, Canby, Molalla, Mulino, Clackamas, Willamette, Lake Oswego, and Happy Valley, Oregon in Clackamas County. Give us a call at 503-344-4378 and be sure to ask about our new patient special offer or visit our website at reviveinjury.com.